In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your LinkedIn password. This is a simple process and I'll walk you through it step by step so you can update your password with confidence and keep your account secure. First, open the LinkedIn app on your phone or tablet. Make sure you're signed in to the account you want to update. Once the app loads, look for your profile icon at the top of the screen. Go ahead and tap that, and from the menu that appears, choose Settings. This takes you to the area where you can control your account preferences and privacy. Inside Settings, look for the option labeled Sign In and Security. It's usually one of the first options you'll see. Tap that to open the security settings for your account. This is where LinkedIn keeps everything related to passwords, login methods, and account protection. Next, select Change Password. This will open a screen dedicated to updating your password. On this page, you'll see 3 fields. Start by entering your current password. This confirms it's really you making the change. Then, in the next box, type your new password. In the final box, retype the same new password to confirm it matches exactly. A quick tip here: choose a strong password that's hard to guess. Aim for a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols, and avoid using personal details or common words. Make sure the new password is something you can remember, or consider storing it safely in a trusted password manager. Also, double-check for typos before you continue, especially if your keyboard autocorrects. Once everything looks good, tap Save Password. The app will process the change, and your LinkedIn password will be updated. After saving, remember that you'll use this new password the next time you sign in. If you use LinkedIn on other devices, you may need to enter the new password there as well, so everything stays in sync. That's all there is to it. You opened the LinkedIn app, went to your profile and settings, chose Sign In and Security, selected Change Password, entered your current password and the new one twice, and tapped Save Password. Your LinkedIn password is now successfully changed. If this video helped you, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell icon so you don't miss future uploads. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.